my tulips, welcome back to my channel. It is your girl Bliss. So this video is an extension of Miss Betty's video. This is Miss Betty's daughter Briana. Okay, so this is just an extension of puff hairstyles. As I mentioned before, I just think Afro puffs are so timeless. You can dress them up or you can dress them down. A kid or an adult can wear this. So what I'm doing is parting my bang from ear to ear. The back of my hair I'm just pulling out of the way. To achieve this style, you will need to know how to either flat twist or braid, whatever works for you. You will need a twist tie hair product of your choice, comb, brush, and that's pretty much it. So what I'm going to do, because I'm not good at braiding my own natural hair, I am going to flat twist. Now this style is good for any face and head type. So if you have a long face, long chin, oval face, round face, you can wear the Afro puff. Also, you guys, to achieve this particular look that I'm doing, you do not have to do your bang from ear to ear. You can just do just a regular bang and flat twist it or braid it, just whatever you think looks good on you. Okay, so I am doing that. I do recommend, though, if you have a long face or a long chin, consider, if you are in that awkward stage where your hair isn't that long, consider possibly adding a clip-on Afro puff or some type of extension to give your puff more of a puff versus a poof because it's going to look real funny. So because I did not have any type of pull string Afro puff, just for the sake of this video to give you an idea of what it should look like, there's my little poof. I'm going in with a boppy and pinning down that flat twist I did. I am using my gel and kind of framing out those baby hairs a little bit for the sake of this video. This is the overall look. You guys say hello to Briana. I hope you enjoyed this video. I'll see you tulips in the next one. Smooches. Mwah.